do mathematics even exist, and what you create in your own mind, how can it fit so perfectly to explain the universe? And is max even constant in the other part of the universe? And that's a genuinely good question and introspection. We need to first understand the basic difference between science and mathematics. What is science? Science is study of the nature, and you see something in the nature and you try to replicate it in your lab or in the nature itself, and you find your observations and you keep repeating it, and others who are competitors of yours can do the same experiments which you have laid down and get the same answer. Then it will be called as termed as law or something like that, and that is science. But to do science in a beautiful manner, we need the help of mathematics. Mathematics are how we write down the universe. It's the core of the universe, and uh, let's say the equations x, y, and the notation raised to, and all are creations of human mind, and abstract thing. Complex numbers, square root of negative minus 1 is a bizarre thing. It's a made up thing of the mind. But mathematics is something so beautiful that if you think, you take something as axioms which are universally truth, and you take that and you keep on building upon that, and you keep on getting new equations and so on. And as long as the new equations have arised out of the axioms, all the following equations will be true, and it will fit perfectly in the nature. And from, if we get an equation for which there is no real world example, then there are two possibilities. We have yet to find such an example, or we are missing a link in the equation, but the equation is never wrong. So mathematics is, in a way, you can consider as a superior thing to science, perhaps a necessity to science. And if you are in other part of the universe, if the science is the same, then the mathematics, the aliens over there would have come up with other notations, other thinking language, but the core of mathematics will remain the same, because the axioms remain the same. And so all the equations might have different looking clothes, but the soul will be the same. So in a sense, max is the main thing which drives the universe, which helps us understand. Science, mathematics, physics, chemistry are good. They are like many surrounding warriors in understanding our nature and ourselves perhaps. But mathematics is the queen of all subjects. Okay.